Firstly, congratulations,
Thank you.
Grand Marshal for 2026. A huge honour.
Massive honour. I've wanted this job for quite some time, and I think I was lobbying for it. So to actually get it and to be able to do it, it's such a massive thing to be a part of. I'm so excited for the day. I think it's going to be the most amazing experience, and I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled we're here. It's official now because you're here. It's official.
And as a born and bred Dubliner, it's extra special, I'd imagine.
100%. I mean, I think when you're Irish, you're so weirdly patriotic. Like when you're from Ireland, you want everyone to know about it, and everything I do is very Irish. And just to be able to be a part of the St. Patrick's Festival, I mean, it's just the cherry on top. Like I've gone to it for years. People watch it all over the world. It's just going to be epic.
The theme of this year's festival is roots, and for you, that's it chimes almost with your story. You don't live in Ireland full time now, so coming in and out, that has significance.
I think, the theme being roots. I mean, if you're from Ireland, no matter where you go, and we are far and wide, you'll find Irish people everywhere you go. And I think our roots always pull us back home, and Ireland is always my home. Even though I live in the UK, Ireland's home, and I just love coming home as much as I can. And so I think the theme this year is perfect.
What have your family said about this announcement, and are they going to be with you on the day?
I haven't told everybody because I'm scared, because it's a secret, but now you're here. And I also didn't say it because I was like, what if I say it and they take it away? So now it's official, I can start telling people. My family are going to be delighted. Everyone's going to be fighting about who's getting to come with me, because this is one of those jobs that everybody wants to come. And I'm probably going to take the older two kids and not tell Otto, because I just think it'd be easier with the older two.
And you're going to be driven through the streets of Dublin in your car. Have you thought about, all of the noise, all of the waving, all the what you're going to have to do on the day?
I think I'm going to have the sorest face in the world from just smiling. You think about being nervous in a situation like that, but I just think it's going to be so incredible. The atmosphere, everyone is so excited to be there, and it's just such a huge experience that I don't think you'll have time for nerves. I just think it's going to be exciting. I'm just going to be delighted, and I cannot wait. I wish it was tomorrow.
And finally, you touched on this. St. Patrick's Day is an international festival now, and it's seen and recognised all over the world. And that's an important part of your role as well, to promote the values of Grand Marshal and of the parade itself.
I think, we just want people to know more about our culture, and St. Patrick's Day and the whole time around it is a really big part of our culture. And even with my kids, I mean, their school does talk, so I was going to offer to do a talk this year, but now I'm doing something slightly more important. But it's nice that they have that even over there, and I always buy their little St. Patrick's Day jumpers, and I think for the whole world watching, it's just an incredible thing for Ireland, and it's just another reason for people to want to come and visit Ireland. And anyone who comes to the St. Patrick's Day Festival, there's just so much to do around it. I'm actually really proud to be doing this job.